Using a stud finder, mark the centers of the studs where you're going to mount the brackets. After marking your studs, verify that the marks are exactly 32 inches apart on center, or whatever distance apart you are mounting the brackets. With the help of an assistant, using a level, mark all of the mounting holes, ensuring that the 9-inch section of the bracket is positioned at the top. Using your drill and your 3/16 bit, drill out all marked holes. Be sure to remount the hole once or twice to clear out all debris. With the help of an assistant, using your 7/16 socket and driver or ratchet, install the lags until they are almost seated. Do not tighten them down completely at this stage. You may notice a slight bow or bend in the 6-foot run of the brackets, which is completely normal. This will be eliminated once they are tightened to the wall. Place one of the shelves on the brackets and make sure it is firmly seated against the wall. The brackets should have a slight amount of play to allow lining up with the slots on the backs of the shelves. Mark 4 holes for the set screws on the bottom of the shelf. Wrap a piece of painter's tape 1 inch up on the shaft of your 1/8-inch drill bit to avoid drilling through the top of the shelf. Drill 4 set screw holes. Repeat this on the remaining shelves. Install 4 set screws into the bottom of each shelf. Once all of the shelves are securely fastened to the brackets, finish tightening the lags into the wall. Be sure not to over-tighten to avoid snapping the head of the lag. So if you have any questions or comments on the install, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at customerservice@urbanlegacy.us, or if you have any pictures you want to send over once they're all staged, we'd love to see them as well.